This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, May 16th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have this trough over the western Great Lakes. This is going to keep the cool air around today, and it's going to keep a couple of showers around as well, mainly in the afternoon hours in our eastern counties of the state. Highs today will still remain in the 50s, maybe approaching 60 in our western counties, where they could see some partly to mostly sunny skies in that area. Going into the weekend on Saturday, that system begins to lift out. The temperatures begin to warm into the 60s across the state, with partly to mostly sunny skies around. And that looks to also be a trend here on Sunday. Winds are a little bit out of the south and west, so temperatures on Sunday will be a bit warmer, 60s to lower 70s possible, with mainly sunny skies around, a few more clouds in the afternoon. And that'll be ahead of this next storm system that'll be coming in on Monday, and that could bring us some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather doesn't look likely at this point with this activity here on Monday. And then that front stalls or begins to stall here on Tuesday. We could see an isolated shower or storm here on Tuesday. The GFS is not being very bullish with it, but the chances are there about 20-30%. Highs for this period, Tuesday and Wednesday and even Thursday, will be in the 70s to lower 80s, warmest over the south. You can see Wednesday looks dry, but we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. And we can't really rule that out here on Thursday either. You can see the GFS is a bit bullish on Thursday. We could see morning rain and then overnight rain. We could see afternoon rain. It's still too early to determine that at this point, but we'll see in a couple of days or so. And even by next Friday, you can see the pattern kind of a bit west to east, a bit of a zonal flow, a 588 ridge over the Gulf and kind of creeping into the Gulf Coast in the south. Some disturbances coming through the stream, and this frontal system is still nearby with some showers and thunderstorms possible, mainly in the southern half to two-thirds of the state at this point, with readings still in the 70s to around 80 or so. Going into the extended period on May the 27th, we have a trough coming into the area with the zonal flow continuing pretty much outside this trough axis. Bit of a ridge over the south and west. And with this, we'll have a storm system that'll be moving through the area with some showers and thunderstorms possible. It looks like readings will be near seasonal levels in the 70s to around 80 if this is to be right. And then as we go to the end of the forecast, on May 31st, we have a little bit of a system coming into Montana and the Dakotas. Otherwise, a zonal flow across the country, a 588 ridge over Texas in the south and west, and that's where all the heat is going to be, and that's where no rain is going to be, because it's all going to be in the plains into the south and east, where they'll have afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a storm system moving through New England, and it looks like readings near seasonal levels. Satellite image from last evening, we had some low clouds with this stubborn upper level feature over the area that brought rain to the state yesterday. It's going to bring some rain mainly in the eastern counties today. A stream of moisture over the east and a stream coming in from the west. But the watch morning map from last evening, you can see where the flash flooding is going to be over the east, Pennsylvania, New York, down into the Carolinas, where there's some flash flood warnings. And the cold air is still in the plains, frost and freeze advisories in effect. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall maybe up to a half an inch or so across the area. Heaviest will be across the Northeast and the Carolinas, where they may see up to 3 inches or more of precipitation there.